One day, Samir was in school. He saw some old books on a table. Samir picked up a big book. The book had many stories. Samir was very happy. She went to school for the first time. She had a new school bag for her books. Where is it? On the table? No. Under the chair? No. In front of the TV? No. Behind the back. शेताभोवती त्याने झाडे लावली होती. त्या झाडांवर मधमाशी, कोकिला, कारुताई, चिमणी व कावळा राहत होते. त्या झाडाभोवती मुले गटागटाने खेळू लागली. पिंकी, मीनल आणि राहुल यांचा एक गट केला होता. आणि It's a tall bird. Go slow. My name lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One a little boy. He lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew. There are very while you let's to be useful and happy then is the sky every day. You sky that I reach in the west and set in the west. आई कुठल्या वेळी असे हाक मारते हे मोहनला पक्के ठाऊक होते. कपाळावर हाते घालत मोहन घरात आला. त्याला खेळायला जायचे होते. पावसाळा कोरडा गेला. वाढू लागली होती. नंतरच्या वर्षी उन्हाळ्याची तकलीफ ही गोष्ट आहे. इतक्या पूर्वीची की त्या काळी माणूस जंगलामध्ये गुहेत राहत असे आणि कंदमूल खाऊन पोट भरत असे. शिकार करून प्राण्यांचा